Hi guys, are you unable to switch between your Supercell IDs or your Clash of Clans accounts, or you're not able to log into your Clash of Clan account? Well, I got three things for you to try. First thing you can do is you can clear the cache and then clear the data of the game and try log again. If that doesn't work, try deleting the game and re-downloading it. If both of those don't work, you can one thing you can do is clear data, clear cache, and delete all the Supercell games you have, like Heyday, Squad Busters, Boom Beach, and Clash Royale. And then also delete Clash of Clans. And then when you re-download Clash of Clans, all your accounts should already be loaded in, and you wouldn't have to log in. And then one more thing you can do is if you have an Android, you can use your secure folder. Go into your secure folder and download Clash of Clans into there, and then you'll just be able, it should work fine. There should not be anything wrong with it, and then you should have your account. You just have to log in again if you do the secure folder thing. Let me know if those things work, and if you need any help, comment down below and I'll help you out. Thank you.